Hello, everybody. This is another review, and this is going to be a Spyderco. But this time we're going to do a small knife. This is the Lil'Native. Let me show you an example. This is my Spyderco Lil'Native. Okay, so it's a small knife. Really nice size. Something for people who aren't looking for something huge and then not something too small. This hits a sweet spot. Okay, this is my personal, but today we're going to do a review on a brand new unit. Okay, so first of all, let's look at all the code numbers just to make sure everything checks out. USA made. If possible, well, not possible, but I only purchase things that are made in the USA to support our country. So all I have is exclusives. So let's see what we have in this bag. So obviously there's going to be some desiccant in there. Okay. Other few little things that are included in the knife that people like to collect, and this is actually a really smart marketing strategy. Is that you include small little things like stickers or yeah, this is something like Rec does a lot. Like they did it with the PM2 as well, you know, and they call it the avocado. So River's Edge Cutlery. So this is the collaboration that Spyderco did. So on the back of this it looks like a casino chip. Anyways, so it says 10V here, and that is the metal of this particular exclusive. Okay, so and then they give you a little sticker. So this is the Scorpion. So the Scorpion is not is going to be associated with this particular exclusive. The Paramilitary 2, which is like a holy grail for a lot of people, that's referred to as the avocado. So let's continue on with the knife because we're not talking about the Paramilitary 2. As you see here, it's the scales are tan. Okay, if you want to be very specific, they're actually, I believe, Coyote Brown. Sorry, Coyote Brown. Surprisingly, they don't get dirty easily. So, or maybe it's because I use it every day. I don't notice. But let's compare my everyday with the brand new one. Let's see if there's any discoloration. So you can see maybe there's slightly darker here. So that's normal. But this is a brand new unit. Let's open it up. DLC blade in 10V, which is an excellent steel. An excellent steel. Okay. DLC blade. Okay. Much to people's misunderstanding, this is more for anti-reflective, not really for rust resistance. It might help, but the primary thing for quarter blades is to not have that reflection in there. Okay, so if we look inside the compression lock and the liner, everything's all black hardware, black dot. I like that. Looks really nice. I like to say it looks sharp, but it's kind of a knife pun. And the clip that you get from the factory is going to be much like a dragonfly. This might remind some people of the dragonfly. So this is one people either like or they hate it. It's really weird. That's for me. It doesn't fancy me, so I changed it out with a Northwest. I want to support my home state. So, but as you can see, normally Spydercos are a 4-way position. This is only 2-way, and it's tip up. Okay, tip up. So this is the River's Edge Cutlery Rec. Okay, Lil'Native exclusive. Okay, with Spyderco. Okay, with the tan G10 scales, and we have a nice 10V steel here, along with a nice coated DLC blade. Okay, and this is a very good EDC knife. It's the perfect size. Just to compare it to something else, here is my PM2, which is my everyday. Okay, so you can see this is the size difference. Okay, So for those who think, hey, PM2 is a little bit too big, this is kind of cool because it's like the Dragonfly too. Sorry, it's like a Dragonfly but with more heft because of the G10 handles. So, anyways, not to distract you with the PM2 again. So, I would like to recommend this model. It's a good deal. It's a good size. It's a good steel. It's an exclusive. It's beautiful. Okay, thanks for watching.